Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. City creation basically we are discussing one of the topic that is future creation. In this basically we are discussing one of the topic that is India account. In India account basically we are discussing one topic that is SBI account, Amazon account. And after 2 days basically the earthquake is going to happen. That is topic actually ongoing. In this basically we are discussing about the lava group basically. So one of the person basically asked the question basically. Sunil basically, no, I actually asked the question to one of the satellite group basically that not to satellite group, the nuclear power company, assume that basically, or basically the another software company basically. Do we have the data of complete data of Sunilar Nair? Then basically the group basically who was actually connected with this, they told that basically what actually you are asking, we are not able to get. Then basically Sunilar Nair explained basically like this. Sunilar Nair basically got birth from certain level of power. That power data basically was taken from one of the lava area. That lava assume that that is this area basically where this is the area basically. Here basically it's not area, but I'm just taking as an example. This is the area. Then that area basically after certain project basically gets over, the power data basically can't get from the power data basically we can't extract from the land basically. So that data basically get disappears in the form of water. That water basically gets at somewhere in land area. After that, basically it goes to the seawater. So the question was basically, is it possible to track Sunilar Nair's data? That is this complete journey of Sunilar Nair data. That is the birth data. How basically Sunilar Nair got generated. So one of the person told that we Earth planet basically in the Earth planet basically nobody can give this answer. So this data basically passed. This question basically passed to satellite group. Satellite group that told that basically we will get back to you, Sunil, because this is the challenging task basically which you have given. Because it might possible that the water basically which was generated, that might possible that that water basically might have consumed by lots of people, and their energy basically might have reached to satellite, and from satellite basically it might possible that it has connected to the planets. So you have to go up to the planet level. That's why basically Earth planet basically can't do this basically. There is not possible basically that Earth planet basically can do this, solve this problem basically. So satellite group told that basically we will get back to you soon. So here basically they told that basically we will be going to do the task, we will be going to record each and every stuff basically what we are doing. After that basically we send the recording basically to our planet, and then basically after that basically with the example of Sunilar Nair, how basically we tracked the each and every data of Sunilar Nair. From that basically you track others people data also. Reason each and every task which Earth planet currently is doing, that is basically started from satellite groups, and this is the task basically which is basically given to our satellite group basically to the from Earth planet basically. So this is the first task basically which Earth planet one of the person basically is giving to the satellite. So it might be the first task from the Earth planet to satellite, and this is the challenging task basically I am telling you basically. Nobody in this world basically can solve this problem basically. Why? Because it has connected to planets. That is basically impossible task. But they have to track this data. There is no option basically. So after that, basically you can connect to Earth planet and then basically hand over the task basically which they have done. That is the satellite group, and then basically they can give the task to the Earth planet basically. So one of the person told that each and every task basically which the satellite group only told that basically each and every task basically which they do na basically, that is basically each and every task basically the satellite groups are doing, they basically transfer the task to Earth planet only, but they keeps the control, basically. That is the main thing basically. So that the boundary which they have drawn, that is not supposed to cross. So this is the first task basically I'm telling you from Earth planet somebody has given. Lots of people says that this will reach to Sri Krishna God also. This will reach to Sri Ram also, Sri Ram God basically. This task will reach to Guru Nanak Ji also. This task will reach to Jesus Christ also. At last, basically, it will reach to satellite group basically. And then basically the process will start. And after that, basically, satellite groups are satellite basically they will 100% track each and every task basically, each and every data. And then basically they are going to transfer the task to Earth planet basically. That basically everybody knows that is the nuclear power company. And then basically they will transfer to the normal people basically. Like project managers, the software company managers basically, who are basically into the data management basically. So you can just imagine up to what level the stuff basically has connected basically. So one of the person told that this is actually the real challenging task basically. This is actually the real challenging task. So in next video basically we'll see a little bit more about it.